And now that we have our balanced chemical equation, what we can also do now is to figure out the masses of each of their reactants and products. So in order to do that, we have to find out the molar mass or the atomic masses of each chemical compound. So C2H2, we have to break it down. We have a C and we have an H. We have our atomic mass. We multiply it by the number of pieces in the chemical compound. And again, we set up a grid and so our atomic mass of carbon is 12. Our atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. We have the 2 pieces of carbon. We have 2 pieces of hydrogen. 12 times 2 equals 24. 1 times 2 equals 2. You add those up, you have a total of 26, and we have 2 of those, so 2 moles of C2H2. We can then take that, put it over 1. And remember, this is grams per mole. And we want to put the moles on the bottom because we want it to cancel. There's actually a 1 there. So we're going to put 26 grams of C2H2 over 1 mole of C2H2 will yield 52. That's 26 times 2. The moles cancel. 52 grams of C2H2. Oxygen can be done the same way. Oxygen, actually let's move oxygen up here so give me some room. So oxygen, its atomic mass, grid times pieces equals, that's supposed to be a C, equals total. So we have atomic mass is 16. We have 2 pieces. So we would have a total of 32. We can then take, I'm going to move this down here so you know where the heck I'm going. All the way over there. So we have 5 moles of O2. That's this, all over 1. A lot of people just leave that blank. If I don't put a 1, I get confused. I let my students tell me I'm old. But I still get confused either way. So we have 5 moles of O2. So now we're going to have 5 moles of O2. And we're going to then, we have to look at here. Remember, this is grams per mole. We want to get rid of the moles because we want to find out the masses. So we're going to put 32 grams per 1 mole of O2 for each. The moles of O2 cancel. That leaves us with 5 times 32. 5 times 32 is equal to 160. So now we have 160 grams of O2. That's what we would need to combine. We would need to combine 52 grams of C2H2 plus 160 grams of oxygen in order to make 4 moles of carbon dioxide and 2 moles of water. And I'm going to let you guys figure these two out, but by using the same process that I set up here.